on the night. Let it fly, go Bear! Gets the and one after that ferocious dunk. Nothing that Taj Gibson, nothing that anybody could do. Westbrook off the double screen, bounce pass, finds Cantor, who put for the Jazz. Tight game, under 3 minutes to play. Hood again on the baseline, fading back, taking the lead. 1 minute to play. Joe Johnson working on Steven Adams, a step back in his face. The Thunder are in trouble. Time is not on their side. Westbrook is gonna pop a three and get it to make it a 1-point game. The Jazz give it to Hayward for three. The dagger, he misses. Rebound Westbrook, no timeout. He's just gonna push it in transition, coast to coast, and one to take the lead. And with just 1.1 seconds left, they inbound to Hayward, almost at the half-court line, throws up a prayer, doesn't even hit the rim. The Thunder come back and take this game. I have bad news for Golden State Warriors fans. Kevin Durant hyperextended his knee in this game, and it's not looking good. He's gonna get an MRI today, but all signs are pointing to him missing months of action.